Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, Tech with Hanan. So welcome back and I'm here with a new video. Actually, my system was got affected by virus. That's why I couldn't make the video and I'm a bit late, but no problem. And we can go and start here. As you can see, uh, we are going to log in to our website that we were learning on that website. And so what I need to do, I just need to log into the panel and hananwithtech as I have saved a password. That's why it's automatically logged. We were talking about the post, and let's click on post. As you can you have learned how to create a post, and now you can see, if we here you can see screen options, categories, tags, post attribution, featured image, and you can see different options here. You can select these all options according to your need. Let's see, it's category, tags, and when you will click on these, they will enable according to that. You can select. So uh, post for images. If we scroll down, you can see featured image. What is featured image? Featured image is like a thumbnail on YouTube. If you use thumbnail, so same like featured image. How to set a featured image? Click on set featured image, and you can, let's see, we select, or you can here title, put a title, and caption, description. We will talk about these in a detail, but here you can see title, set featured image. You just selected this, a test post for featured image. Here you can see. Now just publish. As I click on publish, notification, we will get a notification here, post publish. We will view the post. You can click on this permalink as well to view the post. Here you can see this is the featured image uncategorized, as we will talk about the category. Test post for featured image, and you can see just featured image. Let's go back, and we can edit the post as well. uh, Here, this is featured image and test post for images. Let's select a new post, a new image for a post. Click on upload, select file. As I will go to desktop, you can see like the I like this sunset. This uploading picture. Here you can see picture is uploading, and it's picture is a little bit like it's in a size. I think yes, it's almost done. Here, when we'll click, when the picture will uploaded, we will click on insert, and we will click on insert, and we will see the difference between image that we set on featured, insert into the post, and the image we have set into the, here you can see, as we will click on update. As I click on update, let the post be update, and post updated, view the post. Okay, we'll in a new tab, and it's a featured image test post for images. As you can see, this is a featured image as we have selected, and this is an image that we put in the post. You can see the difference now between a featured image and between an image post. You can see that difference. Here you can see different, you can select different tags, template, you can, and one more, you can see the revisions as well. Who revised this post and when? Admin, time, 1 minute ago, and exact date and time. You can see revisions as well. If we click on what this, what's the purpose of revision? You can just go back a second. You can see, you can restore this revision. If you lost any content, you can restore your content, restore your image. That's the best feature of WordPress about the revision. So we will look into it into the next lecture. And yes, uh, I will upload next video very soon. So like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.